This is 677 on Shamrock. Now, this is a 1986 Wilderness by Fleetwood. It has an RV roof on it. There's a shed. There's a barbecue. There's lots of chairs and tables in the shed. Now, this one, if you just park your car right there in the middle, then you've got your, well, not in the middle, but here in the front, then you'll have your privacy too, because the people aren't always here. And this one was well kept up. Okay. So we have this little deck area over here. We have a swing. There's the barbecue. There's some seating. And we'll go inside. This one is very cute. Okay. Okay. You walk in and there is the kitchen. They have a toaster oven. They have a microwave. Cupboards. These older ones have cupboards. Lots of cupboards. This is really cute here. I love this table and chairs. And you can see all these windows. And we have a jackknife couch there. And this, everything looks like it's in good shape here. So we have this hallway. And the fridge was here. We do need a fridge. But you could get a full fridge in here, because they had a full fridge in here. Look at all these cupboard space. The old ones do have the cupboard space. So this is a 2-bedroom, and this one here has the lower bunk and the upper bunk. So if you don't have that many people, maybe what you do have is place for storage. And then this looks like either a desk or maybe for makeup. But look at all this cupboard space here. Lots of cupboard space. And this one here is this is a full-size bed, but as you can see, it has room to be a queen. It's just for whatever reason, it's a full. It says nobody's perfect. I like that. And then you have some really nice drapes in here. Okay. So now this is the bathroom. And we have a short top, but this thing opens up. Both sides open up to be a large bathroom. And I need to unlock that one, but we have a pretty, we have a shower, a tub, a regular full-size tub, and a shower. So a regular flush toilet, some people prefer those. So this is what we have here. And so here we go. Okay. And we've got lots of firewood on both sides of the shed. Okay. And there's a bicycle. There's lots of wood. There's definitely wood in here. There's some shelving. See, here's the table and chairs here. And the roof looks really good. There's definitely things you would use here. Someone needs to organize. So other than that, we have lots of things here. So there's your fire pit, your barbecue, your back windows. This thing is 40 feet long. So with that being said, This one's a steal of a price, too. So it is on a main drag, but like I said, if you park your car there, it makes it real private.